An influencer is a person who has built a large and engaged following on social media platforms. These individuals have the power to influence the opinions and purchasing decisions of their audience through authentic content and personal recommendations. Influencers can be found on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter, where they share their expertise, lifestyle, or interests with their followers. They serve as trusted voices in their communities and have become valuable partners for brands looking to reach new audiences in an authentic and relatable way. Influencers are categorized into 4 main types based on their follower count. Nano influencers have between 1,000 and 10,000 followers. They have a smaller but highly engaged audience and strong connection with their community. Micro-influencers have between 10,000 and 100,000 followers. They provide authentic content and excellent return on investment for brands. Macro-influencers have between 100,000 and 1 million followers. They are considered niche leaders and can provide broad reach. Finally, mega-influencers have over 1 million followers. They have celebrity status and can create global impact. Each type offers different advantages depending on your marketing goals. Influencers have several key responsibilities to maintain their position and success. First is content creation. They produce original posts, videos, and stories that are tailored to what their audience prefers and enjoys. Second is audience engagement. They actively respond to comments, build community relationships, and maintain authentic connections with their followers. Third is brand partnerships. Influencers collaborate with brands, negotiate deals, and create sponsored content that aligns with their values. Finally, they track analytics. They monitor engagement metrics, analyze performance data, and continuously optimize their strategy to improve results and maintain growth. The content creation process for influencers follows a systematic 5-step workflow. The first step is planning, where influencers brainstorm ideas and decide what topics to cover. The second step is creating, where they shoot or record the actual content. The third step is editing, where they refine, enhance, and polish the content to make it visually appealing and professional. The fourth step is publishing, where they upload the content to their social media platforms. The final step is analyzing, where they review performance metrics to understand how well the content resonated with their audience. This cycle repeats continuously as influencers maintain a consistent posting schedule. To measure the success of their content and campaigns, influencers track several important metrics. Reach refers to the total number of unique people who see their content. Engagement includes all the likes, comments, shares, and replies their posts receive. Impressions represent the total number of times their content is displayed across platforms. Click-through rate is the percentage of people who click on links included in their posts. Return on investment, or ROI, measures the financial return generated from their influencer marketing efforts. Conversion rate shows the percentage of people who take a desired action after viewing the influencer's content. Together, these metrics provide a complete picture of performance and impact. The influencer marketing industry faces several significant challenges. Fake followers and bot engagement can inflate numbers and mislead return on investment calculations. Return on investment measurement is difficult because tracking conversions and proving campaign effectiveness is complex. Finding the right fit requires extensive research to locate influencers whose values align with your brand and whose audience matches your target market. Rising costs are a concern because influencer fees continue to increase as competition for top creators intensifies. Algorithm changes on social media platforms frequently reduce organic reach, requiring paid amplification. Finally, brand safety is a risk because influencer controversy can quickly damage your brand's reputation. These challenges require careful planning and vetting. The influencer marketing industry is evolving with several emerging trends. Artificial intelligence integration is enabling machine learning for better influencer discovery, campaign optimization, and return on investment prediction. Nano-influencers are rising in importance as brands focus on micro-communities with authentic engagement rather than just massive follower counts. Social commerce is growing, with shoppable content and direct sales happening through influencer posts and live streams. Long-term partnerships are becoming preferred over one-off campaigns because sustained relationships create more authentic content. Content repurposing is increasing, with influencer content being reused across email marketing, advertisements, and multiple marketing channels. Finally, omnichannel strategy is essential, integrating influencer marketing across all customer touchpoints and journey stages. To run successful influencer marketing campaigns, follow these best practices. First, define your goals clearly before selecting any influencers. Second, prioritize quality over quantity by focusing on engagement and relevance rather than just follower counts. Third, ensure authentic fit by choosing influencers whose values align with your brand identity and audience. Fourth, provide a clear brief with detailed guidelines while allowing creative freedom for the influencer. Fifth, track all metrics including return on investment, engagement rates, and conversion performance. Sixth, prioritize brand safety by vetting influencers and monitoring their reputation throughout the partnership. Seventh, build long-term relationships rather than one-off collaborations. Eighth, verify authenticity by checking for fake followers and genuine audience engagement. Finally, adopt a multi-platform approach and adapt your strategy across different social media channels for maximum impact.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.